How to remove Siri suggestions on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Siri. Siri is an intelligent assistant that helps you find information and get things done. Siri settings allow you to control how Siri works, from voice activation and response to accessibility features, enabling you to manage calls, set alarms, get directions, play music, and more, all through voice or text commands. On this page, scroll down to the Suggestions section. From here, turn off the Suggest apps before searching switch. After that, turn off the other switches below as well, such as Allow Notifications, Show in-app library and more. Following these steps, you can easily remove Siri suggestions on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.